The first question is tip 1, the number 10. All right. Maybe you can see over here, we have a circle, right? A circle is tangent to the line L, x-axis, and the y-axis. And the radius of circle is 5. But we're going to find out the value of t, right? When you take over here, t is y coordinate, okay? T is y coordinate or point P. Okay, so maybe you can try this way. This is the radius, this is the radius, okay? Another radius over here, isn't it? So radius is 5, this is a 5, this is a 5, this is a 5, okay? So now I'm gonna make a vertical line again, okay? Vertical line again. So another line over here. So from here to this point is 8. From here to here is 5, okay? So the rest of them will be 3, isn't it? So this is 3, all right? Now you can see this triangle, very small triangle, okay? This triangle is right triangle. It's gonna be 3 to the 4 to the 5, okay? So this length should be equals to 4, okay? This 4. But from this to here, that is 5, isn't it? So from the y-axis to the point, that is the value of t, right? Y coordinate, it will be what? 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay? This one looks a little hard, okay? But you can figure out using what? Right triangle, okay? And y coordinate is what? The height from the y-axis, okay? This is the y coordinate, okay? Okay, so choice C is the answer, okay? Okay, now let's go to the next question. All right, now the next question is tip 8, number 5, okay? So we have a graph over here, okay? Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, okay? So ABC is constant, so which of the following is true? Okay, now what is the A in the equation, okay? What is A? A is what? Reading coefficient. If A is positive, the graph is what? Open upward, okay? If A is less than 0, negative, the graph is what? Open downward, okay? So this graph is open downward, right? So in this case, A is less than 0, it's okay, right? So how can you find the value of B? What is B? What is the x of symmetry? X of symmetry is negative B over 2A, isn't it? So B affects what? X of symmetry, right? But we already got A is negative. We already got A is negative, okay? So negative B, but X of symmetry on the right of what? Y-axis, okay? It should be positive, isn't it? All right, now let's figure out, okay, what is the B? So negative B, this is negative, positive, right? Negative, positive. Now we got this one only. What is this one? To have a positive. Yeah, B must be positive, isn't it? Right? So negative times positive and divided by negative. Still positive, right? So this is okay too. Okay. What about C? What about C? C is what? Y-intercept. When x equals 0, right? C is what? Y-intercept. So when x equals 0, y-intercept is how much? Y equals A times 0 squared is 0. B times 0 is 0. C, isn't it? The value of C is y-intercept, okay? When you take a look at the y-intercept on the graph, that is positive. It is okay? So C should be positive. But they are all true, okay? So try the choice D is the answer, okay? Okay, now let's go to the next page. Tip 4, number 2 and 3, right? Okay, number 2, so we have midpoint. Its coordinate midpoint is given. Negative 3 and 5 and negative 3, right? So we have two endpoints, A and B, okay? But you know that right, a midpoint. What is the midpoint formula? Midpoint x and y, what is that? x1 plus x2 over 2, and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 over 2. That is midpoint, right? Okay, these two, A and B, is endpoint, okay? Not take long. So x1 is what? 2a plus x2 is what? B, right? When divided by 2, that is 5, isn't it? Okay. The other one, y coordinate. This is x coordinate, okay? Y is what is that? This is y. B plus a and divided by 2 is negative 3, right? From here we can see 2a plus b is 10. B plus a or a plus b is negative 6. Okay, so when you subtract, all right, so 2a minus a is what? A equals 10 minus 6 is 16, isn't it? Right? So we need to find the value of a, okay? So a is 16 is the answer. Okay. Right, number 3. So we have a line segment AB has endpoint negative 6 and 5. Approximate, okay? Negative 6 and 5 over here, okay? That is a negative 6 and 5. And another point is about 14 and 10, right? 14 and 10 over here. Okay. We have the line. Okay. So we're gonna write put in there P, but this point P divide this line segment is what? 2 to 3, right? If this is 2 to 3 approximately, okay? 2. Maybe you can start right, okay? Maybe you can use this method, okay? I'm gonna make a method. This will make a right triangle, okay? Right. The distance, this is 2 to 3, also this is 2 to 3. You know that right, distance from here to here is how much? 14 minus, the distance is 14 minus 6 is what? 20, right? But this point is only what? 2 out of 5, isn't it? So we start from here, okay? So the point over here, x and y, x is what is that? X is, we start from this point, negative 6 plus 20 times, we take only 2 out of 5, okay? 2 out of 5, isn't it? This is how much? Negative 6 plus 8, which is a 2, right? Okay. The next one, what about y? From 5 to 10 is the distance is 5, okay? And also y coordinate will be right there. We start from 5, okay? 5 plus, this is 5, or we take only 2 out of 5, okay? Out of 5 is correct, okay? So that's gonna be, of course, 5 plus 2 is 7, isn't it? All right? So coordinate point B will be, choice B, 2 and 7, okay? Or if you know the formula, you can use formula too. Formula, I'm going to take this one. This is point A, negative 6 and 5. This is point B, 14 and 10. When you divide this one, 2, 2, 3, right? Okay, 2, 2, 3. The formula, this is point M, okay, x and y, okay? So x can be obtained how? 2 times 14 other x coordinate, okay? So 2 times 14 plus 3 times other coordinate, 3 times negative 6, and sum of these two ratio, okay? 2 plus 3. Yeah, that is x coordinate. Okay, well, how much this one? 28 minus 18, right? 28 minus 18 over 5, isn't it? So it will be 10 over 5 is 2, okay? You can solve this way too, using formula, okay? What about y coordinate? Same this way, okay? 2 times y coordinate 10. 2 times 10 plus 3 times of this y coordinate is 5, okay? 3 times 5. And over the sum of these two ratios is 5, isn't it? 2 plus 3 is 5. So how much is this one? 20 plus 15 over 5, okay? 35 over 5, which is what? 7. You can solve this way. You can use a formula, or you can use some ratio, okay? We have a number 12 over here. That is a T12, number 12. So y equals minus x squared plus k. This one is y equals minus x squared plus k. K is y-intercept. This number, this point is k, isn't it? All right. So where k is constant, if area of this PQR is 64, okay? Area of this triangle is 64. What is the value of k? Okay, we're gonna find the right connection, right? Between the number 64 and the k, right? So what is the area of this triangle in terms of a k? So okay, we're gonna find the length of this one, okay? Because the height is k, isn't it? The height is k. So can you find these two intersection? X-intercept. Okay, y is 0, okay? So negative x squared plus k equals 0. X squared is k. X is what? Plus minus square root k, isn't it? Because we know that k is positive, right? It will be no problem. So this point will be square root k. The other is what? Negative square root k, okay? What is the length this side? Red k minus red k equals what? 2 red k, right? That's the base. So what is the area of this triangle in terms of k? 2 red k times height is k and divided by 2, that is 64, right? From the equation, we need to find the value of k. So 2 is out, square root k times k. K is what? Square root k times square root k, isn't it? That is 64. So each number is how much? 4, right? That means what? Square root k is 4. That's it. Okay. From this we can find the value of k, right? Make square, right? Okay. K equals 16. Right? Okay. That's the answer. Okay. Okay. I hope you figure out all your questions. Okay. Okay. Thank you.